Understanding Animation Techniques, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines art, storytelling, and technology. Animation techniques. Whether you're an aspiring animator or just curious about how animated movies and videos are made, understanding these techniques will give you a fresh perspective on the animated content you love. So, let's get started. At its core, animation is the process of making inanimate objects or drawings appear to move. It's a form of visual storytelling that brings characters and environments to life, creating a dynamic experience for the viewer. Animation can be found in movies, TV shows, video games, and online videos, making it a versatile and widely used medium. Traditional animation, also known as cell animation, involves drawing each frame of the animation by hand. This labor-intensive process allows for a unique artistic expression but requires a significant amount of time and skill. Animators draw sequences of images on transparent sheets called cells, which are then photographed one by one against a background to create a cohesive animation. With the advent of technology, computer animation has become the dominant form in the industry. This technique uses computer software to generate animated images, offering two main types. 2D animation, similar to traditional animation but created digitally, allowing for smoother production and manipulation. 3D animation creates three-dimensional characters and environments, offering depth, shadow, and a more lifelike experience. Movies like Toy Story and Frozen are famous examples. Stop motion is a unique animation technique that brings real-world objects to life. By taking a series of photos of objects in different positions and playing them in rapid succession, animators can simulate movement. This method is often used with models, puppets, or clay figures, known as claymation. Motion graphics are a type of animation that focuses on moving graphical elements or text, often used for advertisements, website videos, and informational content. This style is less about storytelling and more about conveying messages in a visually engaging way. And that wraps up our journey through the world of animation techniques. From the meticulous hand-drawn frames of traditional animation to the cutting-edge realms of computer animation, each technique offers its own unique flavor and possibilities. We hope this video has sparked your interest in the art of animation and given you a deeper appreciation for the creativity and hard work behind your favorite animated works. Thank you for watching, and stay animated.